UL 422 covers household dishwashers. This standard applies to household dishwashers intended to be installed in accordance with the National Electrical Code ANSI/NFPA 70. Dishwashers can be either cord and plug connected or permanently connected. Under-counter units might not have a complete enclosure and must be installed beside kitchen cabinets. Some cord-connected units can be converted to permanently connected installations using a conversion kit. Also, some permanently connected dishwashers can be converted to cord connection by using a cord kit from the manufacturer. UL 749 covers household dishwashers. For built-in dishwashers that allow a power supply cord connection, the cord kit must be marked for use with dishwashers and comply with UL 749 Clause 25.2a. For cord-connected under-counter dishwashers, the installation instructions must include several things. Firstly, instructions for installing the power supply receptacle. Secondly, instructions for creating an opening in the partition for the attachment plug. Thirdly, instructions for protecting the edges of the opening. Care should be taken to prevent damage to the power supply cord during installation or removal. For cord-connected appliances, the power supply cord must include an equipment bonding conductor and terminate in a grounding-type attachment plug. For cord-connected built-in appliances, the flexible cord must be of a specified type and length. The power supply cord must be permanently attached to the appliance or provided as part of a cord kit that complies with UL 749 Clause 25.2a. The ampacity of the cord and the current rating of the fittings must not be less than the current rating of the appliance. Cord kits for dishwashers must include several things. Firstly, a power supply cord, strain relief means, and pushback relief. Secondly, a part or model number. Thirdly, installation instructions. Fourthly, grounding instructions. UL 749 Section 7.3(1) specifies that where the installation instructions for a built-in dishwasher specify that the appliance is able to be connected by means of a power supply cord not already attached to the appliance by the manufacturer, the instructions shall specify that a power supply cord kit marked for use with dishwashers shall be used. The cord kit shall comply with Clause 25.2a. A part or model number of the power supply cord kit shall be included in the appliance installation instructions. Section 7.32 states that the installation instructions provided with a cord-connected under-counter appliance shall include the following instructions or equivalent information. Firstly, the power supply receptacle for the appliance shall be installed in a cabinet or on a wall adjacent to the under-counter space in which the appliance is to be installed. Secondly, there shall be an opening through the partition between the compartments specified in it that is large enough for the attachment plug to pass through. The longest dimension of the opening shall not be more than 38 mm. Thirdly, the edges of the opening specified in B shall, if the partition is wood, be smooth and rounded, or, if the partition is metal, be covered with an edge protector provided for this purpose by the manufacturer. Fourthly, care shall be exercised when the appliance is installed or removed to reduce the likelihood of damage to the power supply cord. Section 25.2 covers cord-connected appliances. Section 25.2(1) states that the power supply cord of an appliance provided with a means for grounding shall include an equipment bonding conductor and shall terminate in a grounding-type attachment plug. Section 25.2(4) covers cord-connected built-in appliances. Paragraph A states that the flexible cord shall be type S, SJC, SPT3, or the equivalent. Paragraph B states that the length of the flexible cord shall be 0.9 to 1.2 meters, measured from the face of the attachment plug to the plane of the rear of the appliance. Section 25.25 states that the power supply cord shall be attached permanently to the appliance or shall be in the form of a separate cord supplied as part of a power supply cord kit with means for connection to the appliance. The power supply cord kit shall comply with Clause 25.2a. Section 25.26 states that the ampacity of the cord and the current rating of the fitting shall not be less than the current rating of the appliance. For an appliance rated more than 15 amps, the current rating of the attachment plug shall not be less than 125% of the current rating of the appliance. A 20 amp plug shall be acceptable for an appliance rated not more than 4000 watts at 240 volts. The attachment plug shall be acceptable for use at a voltage equal to the rated voltage of the appliance. Section 25.2 covers power supply cord kits for use for under-counter or built-in dishwashers. Section 25.2a1 specifies what a power supply cord kit intended for the installation of an under-counter or built-in dishwasher shall include. Firstly, a power supply cord, strain relief means, and push-back relief that complies with Clause 25.2. Secondly, a part or model number marked in the power supply cord kit package or in the kit installation instructions. Thirdly, installation instructions. Fourthly, grounding instructions in accordance with Clause 7.2.2.4. When installing dishwashers, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions in addition to complying with the UL standards and the National Electrical Code. This will help ensure safe and proper installation, as well as prevent any potential hazards. Always disconnect power before performing any installation or maintenance work on electrical appliances. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified electrician to perform the installation.